Hello guys, welcome to the studio. Yes, I'm the beat bender, and today we're going to be taking a look at the entries from the beat battle contest we put out there. I think that was early January. Yes, so the entries came in. We actually have 4 entries in total, and now we're going to be taking a review, basically just reviewing each of those entries, and then we'll let you know the winner and all that. So let's go. Welcome back. Like I said earlier, we basically got 4 entries, and I think the entries came in from DJ Funkysara. We have Avaman. We have Spins, that's Spins Cojones, and then we have Chris Casino. I hope I got the names right. So those are the 4 entries, and we're going to be reviewing them in the order we received them. Yes. So we're going to start with DJ Funkysara. Let's listen.
Hi guys, I'm going to create some beats today. Just an instrumental with some loops. Let's start off with the first loop. It's about 42 bars, about 1 minute 30 seconds instrumental. Let's hear how it sounds. This is the basic loop sound which I'm going to use it for the whole the beat. So I usually start off with the loops. This will be the loop. Next, we will try with the beat. This will be the beat bender, one of the sample which I used for the track as the criteria of the competition, right? Let's play it.
For me, DJ Funkysara, nice job. You did a good job trying to basically make use of all the elements of what we've been teaching so far in terms of the pitch bending, the tuning, 16 levels and all that. It was cool. It was cool. The judges, they loved it. The only thing is some of them were kind of like offbeat and some like obviously offbeat. Some of your hats and all that, and then you have a lot of elements in your instrumental that it might make it kind of like a bit difficult for someone to want to jump on it. Like, okay, let me just sing on this or let me rap on it because it's a hip hop beat, right? So there's like a lot. There's just a lot going on at the same time, all together. So it's kind of like not letting me concentrate, and basically that's what the judges also think. Okay, fine, there's just a lot going on. The plan work and everything was good, but then there's just a lot going on that kind of like not letting it be in sync or sit properly, with each other in that particular soundtrack. So nice job, Funkysara. Nice job. So now let's go to Avaman.
Hey, so this is our video for my beat called AVAJRV, which is basically AVA Groove, Ava Groove. So with the MPC software, you just got to build your sequences from each sequence, and then you can put it in song mode to arrange your song. Go for so I just take it to song here, right here. So once you take it to song mode, you can see all your arrangement is here, intro, verse. If I play it now, it's gonna play according to the arrangement. So let's just try playing from top.
Somehow, if you listen to what you're listening to right now, it seems as if this person is kind of like experience, maybe in beat making, because the way the whole song, the progression, is there. The whole maybe like the first part, maybe the intro or the verse, and then the way the chorus comes in, and they go into maybe like another verse, kind of like, and they are all maybe like 8 or 16 and all that of each bar. So it's like this person actually understands music, and the beat is just it's totally soft. It's soft. You listen to it, you can actually jump on it. You can hear every element clearly. You get it's just kind of like a very cool bounce on this. So this is a good one. It's a good one. I've always been a fan of less is more. You don't need to put everything in your track before it can become actually like a very great hit. Go and take cues from the likes of Dr. Dre, Scott Storch and all that. It's basically just one particular thing that stands out, and that's all. So I like what I'm hearing here. Nice one, Avaman. Nice one what we have here. So let's check out the next person, which should be Szplin Cojones. Yes.
Hello, Szplin is in the house. I made beat for Beat Bender contest. Yo. I used all 5 samples in this beat. I use only samples from sample pack and add some drums.
This person actually it cuts across to me like maybe he's a gamer or something, because I just love the way I love the intro. I love the intro, and then the way everything now comes in. And I like the fact that he made a very good use of the trap rolls, those chops. Awesome. Do you get? And the person also seems like he's gotten a little bit of knowledge of beat making. The way the whole thing was kind of like arranged. Some elements were taken off, brought in later. Although I couldn't specify, okay, this is where the maybe it's where the chorus is, or this is where the verses are. But at least the elements were being taken off, some were being added. It makes the whole thing dynamic. So you're not listening to the same thing from beginning to the end. That bounce, and the bounce is there. It's got a bounce. So that is actually a good one. Nice one, Spins. Spins cojones. Nice job. Let's check out the next person, which is the last one here. Chris.
Hey, it's your boy Chris Casino, and here's my breakdown of my beat for the Bit Bender contest. So I ended up using bit sample number 3.
Chris, you did a nice job. The only thing for me, for a start, is the fact that the entry, that sound you use at the beginning took kind of like a little too long. It's kind of like too long. I don't know the kind of music you're trying to like work with, but it took kind of like too long of a bar before it gets into this beat proper, before we get the next drop. And that alone was already making me be like, okay, what am I listening to? What am I listening to? It took a while, like I think close to like a minute or so. And that's some crazy bars right there. Then the main beat now dropped, and I started hearing some couple of mismatch, maybe like in the key for me. It's the key for me. The guitar, there's a particular guitar there. I think it's a guitar, yeah. What the guitar is playing is kind of different from the key of that your lead synth. That you see, so that synth that is just playing continuously, that's kind of like in the loop. That guitar, the key, they're kind of different. So to my hearing, it's like while the beat seems subtle and the synth is actually a good one, that guitar coming in, it's just changing the whole, it's messing with the key in my head. So I don't know if it's just me, but I would like the listeners to, to just let us know what they feel. Do you get? So that's, for me, it's not sitting properly. That guitar coming in at interval. So anyways, that's from Chris Casino. Okay, so that'll be all for now. We'll let you guys decide, in the comment section below. Just let us know what your take is on each of them. You can also, just feel free to rate them as well. And then we'll actually announce the winner after we've heard from you. Yes. See you in the next one.